What if you could invest beyond India's top 100 stocks, but without taking full mid cap and small cap volatility head on? That's exactly what the ISIF Equity X Top 100 Small and Mid Long Short Fund is designed to do. This fund by ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund will open for investment through its new fund offer from 16th January 2026 to 30th January 2026. Now let's understand how this strategy works. The fund focuses entirely on companies outside the top 100. That means mid-cap and small-cap stocks, as defined by AMFI. These companies offer strong growth opportunities, but they also come with higher volatility. That's why this fund does not follow a plain long-only approach. Instead, it uses a long-short strategy to manage risk across market cycles. Under normal market conditions, the fund invests 65 to 100% in X-Top 100 equities, mid and small caps. Along with this, the fund can take up to 25% unhedged short exposure through equity derivatives strictly within SEBI limits. This short exposure helps the fund manage downside risk or benefit from stocks that appear overvalued. The fund also has the flexibility to allocate up to 35% to other equity-related instruments, or debt. This portion plays an important role in portfolio stability, margin management, and accrual income during volatile phases. On the long side, the fund focuses on companies with strong fundamentals, improving balance sheets, earnings visibility across cycles, competitive advantages, and reasonable valuations. On the short side, the fund uses derivatives to take limited exposure in stocks where valuations or fundamentals look stretched. To execute this, the fund may use tools like stock futures, covered calls, and structured option strategies such as bear call spreads or range-bound setups. If you want to know more about these strategies, watch our playlist by clicking on this button. The risk band for this fund is 5. The NFO is open from the 16th to the 30th of January 2026. To know whether this strategy fits your portfolio, contact us on WhatsApp at 9205523 100 or email us at sifinsights@gmail.com.